one opted to enter over there, they would not have any doubts, or they could not have any doubts that if they enter over here, they might be tagged in and tagged out. Why? Because waiting for 4 hours at this stage, while the H1 time frame has already confirmed everything, is waiting for too long. And then when you move into the H1 time frame and you get an opportunity to enter for the risk entry, those are the type of trade setup that you should be taking. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and if it's the first time that you are joining me, my name is Oscar Chualala, all the way from Tanzania, and I'm to a mission and vision of empowering traders in gaining consistency within their results, especially to those who are using market structures and pattern. So into today's video, I want to just share with you something that has helped me to stay in more winning trades rather than losing trades. And the difference comes only in understanding what the H4 time frame plays around, because sometimes you might see in the H1 time frame you have a confirmation to enter in the market, but in the 4 hour, yet nothing is confirming. Okay, so today I will start with the first scenario that will help you to understand that whenever you see this scenario, the market is allowing you to enter. Okay, and in the next follow-up video, if you would like, you just comment below and then I'll make a follow-up video that will explain on which scenario you should be avoiding, where the H4 time frame is telling you to wait. Now follow me along. Now in the H4 time frame, as you can see, we can see that we have a clear impasse to the upside, followed by this correction, which acts as a continuation for us to still take advantage of the next run to the upside. Okay, now in these scenarios whereby you see in the H4 time frame, everything looks clear, because from here you can see that we have a clear impasse, clear correction, and we have a clear 1, 2, 3 touch, and we have intersected with this particular area value. And over here we can see on this particular 30 touch, we can see that we finished with heavy momentum candles. Now whenever you see in the H4 time frame, we have finished with such candles on the 30 touch, heavy momentum candle, and then you just move into the lower time frame, which is your H1 time frame, and then you see the market that is still providing you and everything looks to be perfect. That's when you can just enter into that particular trade setup. Now for instance, in this context over here, we can see that here there was a first touch, second touch, clear middle section, third touch, and here clear footprint, whereby the price has already snapped over there, which means now this particular price has a more higher chance of pushing to the upside. So over here, what our entries criteria are, we're just going to wait for a rejection candle or retrace candle. So let's just forward the price a little bit forward so that we can see. Over here we can see that we finished with the doji, which would have not allowed us to enter into the market, however would have been a good sign that we would have waited. Now let us just wait for the next candle and see. Let's just forward the price a little bit. Now after seeing this particular confirmation of this particular candle over here, you can see now we have more of a morning star formation, and if one opted to enter over there, they would not have any doubts, or they could not have any doubts that if they enter over here, they might be tagged in and tagged out. Why? Because waiting for 4 hours at this stage, while the H1 time frame has already confirmed everything, is waiting for too long. Because here what we are playing is to play that particular impassive run. So in the H4 time frame, we're going to see it as a clear retrace candle. So what we just need over here is just to enter. So we are going to enter over there, and let us see how the price just played out. Yeah, as we can see, the market just played out very nicely. For those who entered into this particular trade, well done. And that's how we can really mitigate the risk as a first scenario. So just to recap and to keep it simple, the main purpose of this video is to help you to understand which entries you should be taking that are in alignment with the H4 time frame. So in the H4 time frame, if you move and you see that on the 30 touch of the H4 time frame, it has finished with clear engulfing candle, clear momentum candle, and then when you move into the H1 time frame and you get an opportunity to enter for the risk entry, those are the type of trade setup that you should be taking. Rather than that, you will not be taking. So let me know in the comments below what was your major takeaway, and please help me to reach the vision and mission of helping more traders to understand market structures and patterns in the best yet possible scenarios so that they can have the result just by sharing, liking, and commenting to this video. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.